Hi! In this video, we will quickly compare Clixtell versus ClickGuard. It's all about relevancy in PPC. At every given time, users are looking for specific products, services, and information. Advertisers can present a targeted ad at the exact moment this search is taking place. If a user searches for blue running shoes, for example, an advertiser may display an ad related to blue running shoes. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Our full suite solution is designed to prevent click fraud plus provide unmatched insight into the quality of your Google Ads clicks. Clixtell is your one-stop dashboard for all your digital marketing needs. Clixtell's advanced tools for online advertising in the digital era have brought its global reputation as a constantly growing and improving company that strives to provide a safe and transparent advertising experience for all businesses and agencies. The company helps to optimize and protect PPC campaigns, track calls, increase sales and profit, and improve customer retention. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads and Bing Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Clixtell provides 24/7 click fraud detection, automated click fraud protection, video screen recorder, conversion intelligence, click-to-call ads tracking and recording, refund claim reports. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.